Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Magic Maths. Today's topic is integers and their roots. So let us start. So first of all, I will explain you what is an integer. Integer is a whole number. Integer is a whole number which can be positive, negative, and it includes 0 also. But it does not include any fraction. Suppose this. So this does not come under integer. Integers are only the whole numbers. That includes positive also, positive integers, negative integers, and 0. 0 is a neutral integer. So you can see I have made a number line and all the numbers written in a number line are integers. So 0 is a neutral. It is neither positive nor negative. All these are positive integers and all the integers with the minus sign on it are negative integers. So the definition of integer is a whole number which includes 0, all the positive integers and all the negative integers. Now let me explain you the rules of integers. Rule number 1 is the product of two positive integers is always positive. If we multiply two positive integers, the answer will be always positive. Rule number 2, the product of one positive and one negative integer will also always be negative. If we multiply one positive and one negative integer, the answer will be negative integer. Rule number 3, the product of two negative integers is always positive. If we multiply two negative integers, the answer will be a positive integer. And rule number 4, the product of the quotient of a positive means division. Quotient means division. The quotient of a positive and negative integer is always negative. So these are the rules of integers. I will explain again. Positive multiplied by positive integer, the answer will be a positive integer. So I'll explain you how. If we will add 4, I'm writing a plus sign here, that means it's a positive integer, multiply by 4. So the answer will be 4 4s are 16 and it will be in a positive form. So you can write a sign of plus here, or we can avoid this sign also, because if we will not write any sign, that means the number is a positive integer. Now the second one, product of a positive and a negative integer. So a positive plus 5 multiply by a negative integer minus 6. So the answer is, multiply these two numbers, 5 6 are 30 and it is always a negative integer, so we will put a minus sign here. Then the product of two negative integers. So let us see here, minus 7 multiply by minus 7. So 7 7s are 49 and the answer is positive integer, so we will not put any sign here. So now let me explain you. When you're writing a positive integer, you can skip the plus sign. But when you're writing a negative integer, you have to put a minus sign before that. So here the answer is in positive integer, so this time I'm not putting a plus sign over here. If there is no sign, that automatically means the answer, the number is a positive integer. And the last rule, rule number 4, the quotient of a positive and a negative integer is always a negative integer. So here I'm writing a positive integer 15 divided by a negative integer is minus 5 here. So the answer is always a negative integer. 15 divided by 5 is 3 and it is a negative integer, the sign is of a minus. So these are some of the rules of integers. So I hope you understood the concept. Keep practicing.